Hi, this is Travis with WP Law Incorporated. Today we're at a site and we're going to show how to use the push spreader. The push spreader is an easy method for most people to do. There are other tools to use, such as a handheld spreader or a drop spreader for putting out fertilizer. But today we're going to show how to do the push spreader itself. Most bags, they come with a spreader setting for most general spreaders that they have. But today we have learned that this here fertilizer calls for number 14 on our spreader. So we're just going to push the knob down to 14, and then we'll start pushing it back and forth in a serpentine method in this yard, making sure we get good coverage across the whole area. When you start pushing the sprayer, you'll want to turn it on and you'll start your walk. When you get to the end, you'll want to shut it off again. That way you don't have a large amount of fertilizer that drops onto the ground when you first start pushing the spreader again. So let's get started now. You'll push it on, you'll walk the spray. And when you get to the end, you shut it off and you make your turn. The turn should follow exactly how far it went over. You'll start your next run. So once you start your next run, you'll start it back up. You start pushing the spreader, and you get the spreader all the way to the end of the run again, and once again, you want to shut it off and follow the steps where the fertilizer went all the way out, and we'll go from there. To learn more about your fertilizer spreader and how to calibrate it, please give us a call or visit us at wplawinc.com.